Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at privacy coins, enhancing financial privacy and security. 1. Introduction. Privacy coins are a subset of cryptocurrencies designed to prioritize user privacy and anonymity in financial transactions. 2. Advantages of privacy coins. Financial privacy. Privacy coins offer individuals and businesses enhanced financial privacy and anonymity, protecting sensitive financial information from surveillance, censorship, and unauthorized access. Resistance to surveillance. Privacy coins provide a tool for individuals to resist financial surveillance by governments, corporations, or other entities, preserving financial autonomy, freedom, and sovereignty. 3. Use cases for privacy coins. Private transactions. Privacy coins enable individuals to conduct private transactions, payments, and remittances without disclosing sensitive financial information to third parties or the public. Confidential contracts. Privacy coins support the creation of confidential smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, that preserve privacy and confidentiality in sensitive transactions, such as auctions, voting, or supply chain management. 4. Conclusion. Privacy coins play a vital role in advancing financial privacy, autonomy, and security in the digital age, offering individuals and businesses a means to protect sensitive financial information from surveillance, censorship, and unauthorized access. While facing regulatory challenges and adoption barriers, privacy coins continue to innovate and evolve, driving forward the vision of a more private, secure, and decentralized financial ecosystem.